Today we're going to have an unboxing of the Husqvarna Rancher 455 20-inch chainsaw. Hey guys, here we go.
We're back at the ranch. It's always beautiful here, but with this kind of weather where it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it really makes big difference. We're really just enjoying the weather because we can do a lot of things. So I'm just gonna show you beautiful things I'm seeing here right now. Look at that. Right?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Tatunai Calicut Ranch. Today we're going to have an unboxing of the Husqvarna Rancher 455 20-inch chainsaw. We also have the case for this chainsaw, wrench tool, the chain sharpener file, the fuel for it, and we have the bar chain oil. We're going to get down to unboxing this because we've got some trees we need to cut. This is a great looking set from Tractor Supply. They had everything we need. It's going to be great. Nicely packaged. It comes with a little starter pack of fuel oil already with it. It also comes with a wrench, so I didn't need to buy one, but just in case I lose one, I have an extra. This Rancher is about 13 pounds. As you can see, it's very well packed. There we go. Now we're gonna extract this from the box. Nice, look at that, huh? Beautiful setup. Now we're going to take this guard off the chain. Be careful with this. This is very well packed. Let me get my knife. Okay, this hard piece of plastic around it it's a protective shipping material, so which is nice, but like most of them, you have to cut them off. And there you have it, folks. We'll drop that right in the box there. Now we have the tool exposed here, completely unpacked. Looks great. The starting guide has information here on when you oil it up. So right on top here, it gives you a little starter on how to get your tool prepared and ready to start cutting trees, okay? So take a look at this. So it talks about the handbrake, chain stop handbrake on it, which is here. Okay, it's right now it's locked. It's unlocked, locked, beautiful, nice. We've also got the choke on it, and that's back over here. We're gonna turn this around so you can do this, see this? This is the blue choke. Once we have it filled up and we get ready to get it started, we're gonna pull this choke out, okay? We're gonna pump this up 5 to 6 times, and then we're gonna pull it 2 to 3 times this pull rope, and she should start right up. Before we can do that, we have to do 2 things. We have to add fuel to it here, and we have to add the bar chain oil right here to it. And then once we fill that up, we'll be ready to get started with starting it up. So once it tries to start, we'll push the choke back in, and then we'll crank it right up, and it'll run full time then, okay? Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get our 455 Rancher started here. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out the choke on it. I'm gonna give it a couple of pulls, set it up. Looks good. Move out here. Pull off a brake. Ready to go. So we're going to go over here to our big tree, and we're going to make our first cut. And remember, when cutting, you want to cut. It's important where you start your first cut, and the tree falls where you want it to fall. So, hold on. All right, I need to move my ladder out of the way. I don't want the tree to fall on it. Okay, now that I've gotten the ladder out of the way, we're going to go ahead and start up our Husqvarna. Walk over here to the tree this time. We're ready to go. Here we go. Make sure I take my stop off. There we go. Take the brake off. Okay, here's the first cut, guys. That was beautiful, guys.